Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Garuda Linux on VMware Workstation. First, go to Garuda Linux official website and download. Click on download or also see here we have the option to download. All three options are same. Click off any one of them. Then scroll down. See here we have the different editions. KDE Plasma, Xeno, Cinnamon, XFCE and others. Okay. Sphere and others. Okay, download the edition that you like, but the installation process on VMware is same for all Garuda Linux versions. In this video, I am going to download and install Cinnamon edition. So, click on this download Cinnamon edition. See here, direct from SourceForge and torrent link. Okay, direct means it downloads the ISO file, and this is from SourceForge website, and this is for torrent link. Okay, all three are same. Click on direct link. See, once we click on download started, see here its size is 2.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Okay. Open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Select. Now click on next. Now select the downloaded Garuda Linux ISO file. Click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. See here I have the Garuda Linux Cinnamon Linux 240428 ISO file. Select it and open. Then click on next. Select the type as Linux and version archive Linux. Archive Linux we don't have, so select other Linux kernel 64-bit because we don't have the archive Linux. Okay, then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Garuda Cinnamon VM. This is the virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Select the path where you have the enough space. Click on VMs. Then make a new folder for this virtual machines. Click on OK. Click on next. Then provide the hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See, by default memory selected and number of CPU cores 2. So I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. So click on customize hardware. Then use this pointer, or you can provide the memory in megabytes. Okay, click on close, click on finish. Now still if you want to edit settings, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, click on this power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the boot with open source drivers and hit enter. See here on desktop we have the install Garuda Linux, or here also we have the install Garuda Linux. If you don't want to install and if you want to use this for testing purpose, close it and you can use this one. But if you want to install permanently, you have to click on this install Garuda Linux or right click and select open. Both are same. Click on it, close this one. Wait a moment. Now select the language from this list. I am going with American English, then click on next. Now select the region and zone, or you can select from these drop downs, or you can select from this world map. Either is fine. Okay, I'm going with these locations, then click on next. Keyboard model, I'm going with the default, so click on next. Now select the erase disk and click on next. Now we have to create or set up the user. So provide user full name, then username, this will be the username, then this will be the computer name or host name. So I am giving Garuda VM, then provide the password for this user. confirm the same, then click on next. See, this is the Garuda Linux virtual machine summary. If you are okay with all the settings, click on install, or if you want to modify, click on back and you can edit the options. It is up to you. So click on install. Again, this is confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am going to pause this video until this installation completes. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will connect to Garuda Linux and we will perform the post installation steps. See, installation is complete. So select the checkbox, that is restart now. Then click on done. Now provide the password for this username that we have set and hit enter. See, before the setup agent can continue, initial system updates have to be applied and setup assistant updated. Okay, if you want to update, you have to click on OK, otherwise cancel it, then click on OK. Now if you want to set up assistant, you have to click on here. Also, before we are having the install Garuda Linux here, but also you are having option here. Okay, so both are gone now. Close this one. Now open the terminal. If you want to update the packages, Ctrl A, sudo pacman -s, it is caps S Y U, and hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, this may take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Garuda Linux on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.